This video is about buying a padlock for a steel container which has got a lockbox on the front. There's a number of different padlocks you can get. But the big thing is you've got to get the right one to fit. So the first thing you need to do is measure out what you've got. So measure it this way, measure it this way, and this way, this way, measure the other bit, the outer bit, and that bit as well. We take all these measurements home, and what I did was I drew them out on a sheet of paper. Now this is the padlock I ended up with. It's the Maltese shackle lock, probably the best one available. When you go on the website, they give you all the dimensions. There is a 10mm version of this, but the 10mm one wouldn't fit my lockbox. I've gone for the 12mm bar. So the thing arrived and I took it down to the site, and this is what happened. So it looks okay there. It looks like it'll fit. It's quite a tight fit, by the way. There's not much in it. But when I tried to put it up inside this portion, it wouldn't fit. It's too wide. I didn't actually measure that. I did measure it, but I didn't take note of it. Anyway, the good news is these red bits that go around the padlock are plastic straps. They don't serve a great deal of purpose. Stanley blade, cut them off. That reduces the width of the overall thing. And hey presto, it fits up into the space. So now that lock fits really well. It's a good tight fit and I'm quite happy with it.